Your iPhone is a constant companion, accompanying you at every turn and often doubling as a wallet. Having a stand is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity to keep your phone accessible and secure while you enjoy its myriad functions. When selecting an iPhone stand, the initial inquiry should focus on its primary purpose. Whether you are in search of a stand that enhances the leisure of streaming your favorite shows, or if you need a tripod-style stand that can also function as a photography kit, or a stand with MagSafe charging capability, these considerations play a vital role. Some individuals prefer an iPhone stand that seamlessly integrates into a desk, maintaining a discreet presence, while others prioritize functionality, opting for stands with ample height adjustability. Regardless of your preference, we have curated the best options guaranteed to pique your interest and meet diverse preferences. Here are our top recommendations for iPhone stands currently available on the market. All product links are provided in the description below. 5. Omoton Adjustable Phone Stand. The Omoton Adjustable Phone Stand is the most user-friendliness stand on the list, offering a perfect blend of sleek aesthetics and robust functionality. While its size may be larger compared to a basic stand, its exceptional tilt adjustability, reaching up to 270 degrees, sets it apart in terms of versatility. Priced affordably at under $10, it delivers essential features without compromising on aesthetics, making it a practical choice for users seeking basic functionality and an elegant design. Constructed from durable aluminum, the Omoton stand prioritizes stability with the inclusion of silicone padding, ensuring a secure grip on the phone or tablet. The design carefully balances functionality and aesthetics, providing users with a streamlined look while delivering essential features. This amalgamation of design elements contributes to the stand's overall appeal and positive user experience. The Omoton Adjustable Phone Stand measures 3.58 by 2.36 by 3.54 inches and weighs 6.3 ounces. The stand is available in a variety of colors, including silver, black, gold, gray, navy blue, purple, red, and rose gold, allowing users to choose based on their preferences and style. In summary, the Omoton Adjustable Phone Stand is a budget-friendly and highly rated option, excelling in providing a user-friendly experience with its extensive tilt adjustability. Its aluminum construction and positive reviews position it as a reliable and stylish choice among iPhone stands, offering a balance between functionality and aesthetic. 4. Nulaxy A4 Cell Phone Stand. The Nulaxy A4 cell phone stand establishes itself as a preeminent choice for users prioritizing portability with the added benefit of adjustability. Despite its limitation in height adjustability, this stand excels in its fully collapsible design, making it a convenient solution for on-the-go usage. Priced attractively at just $10, it presents an economical option without compromising on functionality. The hallmark feature of the Nulaxy A4 lies in its adjustable design, offering flexibility in two key areas. The stand's collapsible nature facilitates easy folding, enhancing its portability for users who require a versatile solution. The stand allows adjustments at its base, and the connection point dictating the phone's tilt, providing a remarkable 270 degrees of angle for optimal viewing. Constructed from durable aluminum, the Nulaxy A4 ensures stability through the incorporation of rubber elements that secure both the stand and the phone in place. The larger hook at the end of the stand is thoughtfully designed to accommodate a wide range of iPhone casing, adding to its versatility. This combination of materials and design contributes to the stand's robust build and user-friendly features. Key specifications for the Nulaxy A4 cell phone stand measures 4.06 by 2.88 by 0.95 inches and weighs of 3.8 ounces. Users can choose from an array of colors, including black, rose gold, silver, gray, purple, blue, green, red, orange, and gold, allowing for personalization based on individual preferences. In essence, the Nulaxy A4 cell phone stand emerges as a budget-friendly yet highly functional option, catering to users seeking a portable stand with adjustable features. Its collapsible design, durable construction, and compatibility with various iPhone cases position it as a versatile and practical choice in the realm of phone stands. 3. UGREEN Foldable Desk Stand. The UGREEN Foldable Desk Stand emerges as a frontrunner in the category of lightweight phone stands, distinguished by its exceptional portability and budget-friendly pricing. While it lacks certain features such as a hole for charging cable and height adjustability, its ultra-portable design and affordability make it an attractive option for users seeking convenience without breaking the bank. Priced at less than $10, the UGREEN Foldable Desk Stand boasts a hinged construction that allows for effortless folding, enabling users to conveniently tuck it away when not in use. However, when needed, the stand effortlessly offers 100 degrees of tilt, providing optimal viewing angles. The silicone cushioning ensures stability when placed on a desk, enhancing its usability as a practical desk accessory. Weighing a mere 2.2 ounces, this stand is exceptionally lightweight, further enhancing its portability without compromising on durability. Despite its lightweight construction, it is capable of securely holding phones of various sizes. However, it's worth noting that the textured curvature at the bottom of the stand, while effective in holding the phone in place, may partially cover the edge of the phone. Key specifications for the UGREEN foldable desk stand measures 3.74 by 3.35 inches in dimensions, and a construction material comprising durable plastic. Available in classic colors such as black and white, this stand is a versatile and practical choice for users seeking a lightweight and portable solution for their phone stand needs. 2. Lucrave Magnetic Phone Stand. The Lucrave Magnetic Phone Stand secures its standing as the epitome of minimalist aesthetics among phone stands, setting itself apart as a refined choice with its distinct features. Despite its exclusive compatibility with iPhone 12, 13, and 14, this stand distinguishes itself with a sleek design characterized by the absence of any lift. Priced at $16, the Lucrave Magnetic Phone Stand embraces a magnetic approach, deviating from the conventional lip seen in most iPhone stands. The unique functionality of the Lucrave stand revolves around its magnet, meticulously designed to secure an iPhone 12 or newer onto its robust aluminum structure. This departure from traditional designs not only enhances stability during use, but also introduces angular adjustability, catering to diverse user preferences. Unlike typical charging devices, the Lucrave stand does not function as a charging device itself. Rather, it accommodates a charging cord through the back. Notably, this magnetic stand is optimized for use with a MagSafe charging case on the phone. To augment security during connection to the stand's magnet, users have the option to add a magnetic ring to the back of their iPhone. Key specifications for the Lucrave Magnetic Phone Stand measures 3.74 by 2.36 by 5.9 inches in dimensions and weighs of 5.8 ounces. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy, the stand is available in sophisticated colors such as light gray and silver, adding an extra layer of customization for users. In essence, the Lucrave Magnetic Phone Stand offers a distinctive and minimalist aesthetic, ensuring a refined visual appeal while maintaining functional excellence. Its magnetic design, compatibility with specific iPhone models, and thoughtful features make it an attractive option for users seeking a sleek and streamlined phone stand. 1. Lamicall Phone Stand. The Lamicall phone stand is the paramount choice for phone holders. Stands out due to its unparalleled solidity, impressive sturdiness, and unwavering stability. Despite its slight drawback of lacking height adjustability, the stand compensates with an array of all-encompassing features and a user-centric design, firmly positioning it at the forefront of phone stand options. While it may not boast the flashiest aesthetics, its emphasis on practicality and functionality makes it a noteworthy contender. Priced at an affordable $13, the Lamicall phone stand transcends mere visual appeal by excelling in portability, courtesy of its compact construction and collapsible design. This thoughtful engineering ensures that the stand seamlessly accompanies you wherever you go. The inclusion of a tilt feature facilitates effortless adjustments, while the inherent stability of the stand makes it versatile across diverse scenarios, catering to users with varying needs and preferences. Constructed with precision using silicone and rubber components, the Lamicall phone stand provides a secure grip for your iPhone, accommodating both vertical and horizontal orientations. The robust build of the stand not only guarantees a secure hold but also enables touchscreen use without the looming concern of toppling over. Beyond its fundamental functionality, the stand incorporates additional conveniences, such as rubber pads designed for optimal surface connection and a dedicated space at the back for the discreet entry of a charging cord. This phone stand measures 3 by 3 by 4 inches in dimensions, weighs 4.2 ounces, and a construction material comprising durable aluminum alloy. The availability of a diverse color palette, including black, rose gold, silver, blue, gold, green, gray, purple, and red, further empowers users to personalize their choice based on individual aesthetics. In summation, the Lamicall phone stand emerges as a holistic solution, seamlessly combining practical features, robust construction, and user-friendly design. Highly recommended for users seeking a reliable and versatile phone stand. Its widespread appeal is underscored by the endorsement of a 5-star Amazon reviewer who describes it as a great stand, very flexible and sturdy. This testimony reflects the stand's universal acclaim and user satisfaction. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please Please like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.